Hi, this is Michelle. Today we're going to draw an astronaut floating in space. Let's get started. First, we are choosing the monoline and the calligraphy to draw a quick draft. We're going to start with the astronaut's helmet. Draw a big rainbow line first and then draw a second line which goes right along the first one. And then we are going to draw a straight line to connect each side at the bottom. Okay, now let's draw his arms. Then his mittens on his hand. And then the top of his body. Then draw another two straight lines as his belt, just like we did on the neck. Now we're going to draw the straps or peps linking the front control panel and the backpack. We draw a big box that's on his chest, and then draw one little box inside as the monitor. Maybe show how much oxygen he has left. Then we could draw two big buttons on the side. Now we're going to draw his legs. We're going to start right at his waist and draw some big curves as he's floating, so his legs are bent. Now draw his space boots. And right on the side of his feet, we're going to draw a little curve to show the thickness of his boots. Then add a pad on his leg to protect his knee. Alright, now let's draw his huge space pack on his back. Now we can do a couple extra detail. The highlight on his visor, his air muffs, some details on his spacesuit, and then add some wrinkles on his elbows and knees. Then create a new layer down below the draft layer. Then tap two fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 25%. Then start drawing based on the draft layer. If you want to draw a perfect circle line or straight line, all you need to do is draw a line first. After you're drawing, continue holding your pencil on the screen, and then it will automatically form a line for you. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Finally, draw a big circle as the background. Still holding your pencil after your drawing. Then tap on the circle on top of the screen to make it a perfect circle. Then we add some circles in the background as the stars. Choose the dark blue color as the background color. You can directly drag the color into the area to fill it. Then just fill all the colors for the rest of the image. That's it, you did it! Smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time!